Howdy, I'm Finnegan, and I'm doing my presentation on the organism crabs. So crabs go by many names. One of them is crabs. The other name is Brachyura. That's the scientific name for a crab. The family of crabs. So crab habitat, they are both terrestrial and aquatic life. So many are hybrids. They'll spend most of their life in the water but will venture out on sand. They are very unique in the way that some are exclusively in the water and some are both in the water and amphibious. Some of them are amphibious, but they all need water to reproduce their eggs because they have a soft layer of eggshell. So yeah, they must be close to water. So crabs are scavengers. So, the old story about Amelia Earhart, after she died, she got picked apart by coconut crabs. It could happen. They are scavengers. They usually scavenge large debris, especially the aquatic crabs scavenge on the floor, eat particles. Some, but some also catch live prey, like fish, small fish, clams. Some even eat some grasses, some types of grasses, and they just use their claw, their pincer, to get their prey. So, no idea what relationship with prey really means. That's not good. They get eaten by them. But there's so evolved traits. So their main evolved traits are their pincers and heavy armor. It's a big factor for, and they're obviously their 6 legs. Some have more, some have less, but all of them have kind of converged into that style. So they use their gills to breathe still, but even on their aquatic, not the aquatic, but the amphibious crabs, they'll still breathe water, but they can breathe on land as long as their gills are wet for up to 24 hours. So another interesting trait about crabs, especially with evolution, is that many different species of crabs come from different families where coevolution is kind of formed, and they've turned into a crab, even not coming from the same families as crabs are. So position on the life tree, they are relatively far down, even though they are very early species. There's a lot of big family history with them. They do come in multiple ends of trees. Branches of trees are actually just crabs from different species, but yeah, they're kind of everywhere. So this is what they look like. I believe this is a blue shoehorn crab. And all of them kind of have the same style of pincer, appendages, multiple appendages. So crabs' role in an ecosystem is that they are a really good decomposer. They act to break down the food, leftover food, waste very efficiently. They're also omnivores. So since they're omnivores, they can also feed on grasses and stuff like that. And they are a great food source. For us, the way they affect us, they're a great food source. They're very abundant, and yeah, they're just easy to wrangle. So these are my sources for the pictures and any information I have, and that's it. Thank you very much.